एज्युकेशनल व्हिडिओ पाहण्यासाठी सबस्क्राइब करा आणि बेल आयकॉनला क्लिक करायला विसरू नका.
Today we are going to start a new chapter of human physiology, that is circulation. Now circulation means, first we'll see the definition of circulation. Circulation is a constant rhythmic flow of extracellular fluid like blood through blood vessels in a particular direction is known as circulation. Circulation is a constant rhythmic flow of extracellular fluid like blood through a blood vessels in a particular direction is known as circulation. Now, these two words, extracellular fluid and particular direction through blood vessels, these are the important words. Why extracellular fluid? Extracellular fluid like blood. Blood composed of tissues, cells and extracellular debris, right? And blood vessels. Now blood vessels are of two types, arteries and veins. We'll discuss it later. Why in particular direction? Now suppose arteries से blood flow हो रहा है, right? यहाँ से भी blood आ रहा है, so blood will get stagnant, right? So that's why blood should flow in a particular direction. Now definition में हमने देखा two types के blood vessels है, that are arteries and veins. Now see, blood vessels are of two types, that are arteries and veins. Capillaries are also the type of blood vessels only, but we'll discuss about it later. Now arteries are the type of blood vessels which carry oxygenated blood. Exceptional artery is pulmonary artery which carry deoxygenated blood. Alright, write it here. Arteries carry oxygenated blood except pulmonary artery. Arteries carry oxygenated blood, that is oxygen rich air or the blood is carried by arteries. Exceptional is pulmonary artery. Same for veins. Veins carry deoxygenated blood except pulmonary veins. Why? Because pulmonary veins are the type of veins which carry oxygenated blood. Clear? Arteries and veins are the type of blood vessels. Arteries carry oxygenated blood except pulmonary artery which carries deoxygenated blood. Veins are the type of blood vessels which carry deoxygenated blood except pulmonary veins which carry oxygenated blood. Now, next point is composition of blood. Now, the next point is composition of blood. blood का composition देखने से पहले हम blood के characteristics देखेंगे. First characteristic of blood is red in color. Why? Because the pigment hemoglobin is present in it. Red in color due to presence of hemoglobin. Now, hem means iron and globin means protein. What? Blood is red in color due to presence of hemoglobin. Hem stands for iron and globin means protein. So iron protein molecule is present in blood, and that's why blood is red in color. Second characteristic of blood is it is slightly alkaline. Slightly alkaline means blood का pH around 7 to 7.4 तक रहता है. 7 तक हम न्यूट्रल कंसिडर करते हैं. 7 के बिलो एसिडिक pH रहता है और 7 के above it is basic or alkaline. Now the pH of blood is 7.4. Alright. Now next it contains that composition में आते हैं that it constitutes RBCs, WBCs and platelets. These are the three types of blood corpuscles. Composition में हम डिटेल में देखेंगे, but इसमें WBCs, RBCs and platelets, these are the type of blood corpuscles which are present in the blood. Also, plasma and water is the major constituent of the blood. That is, blood में सबसे ज़्यादा मात्रा में plasma और water present रहता है. Okay. Now, fourth characteristic is the volume of blood in normal healthy person or normal adult is 5 to 7. नॉर्मल एडल्ट में ब्लड का वॉल्यूम 5 to 7 लीटर्स रहता है. नाउ दिस इज द अप्रोक्सीमेट रेट जो ब्लड नॉर्मल हेल्दी पर्सन में कितना रहता है. अगर फीमेल्स में देखा जाए तो ब्लड रहता है 4.5 to 5 लीटर्स और नॉर्मल हेल्दी मेल्स में 5 to 7 लीटर्स ब्लड रहता है. These are the characteristics of blood. One more point I forgot is arteries हमेशा bluish हमेशा रेड कलर में बुक में दिखाई जाती है एंड वेन्स का कलर हमेशा ब्लू दिखाया जाता है. रीजन बिहाइंड दिस इज arteries are bright red in color that is the जो ब्लड आर्टरी से फ्लो कर रहा है वो ब्राइट रेड कलर में रहता है एंड दैट्स व्हाई आर्टरीज आर कलर्ड बाय रेड कलर एंड द वेन्स आर ऑलवेज shown by blue color because in veins is purplish red. So these are the 5 characteristics of blood. Now we'll see composition of blood. Now the major constituent of blood is plasma, which is 55% of total blood. Remaining 45% is blood corpuscles. Now, the major constituent of plasma is water, which is 92% of total plasma. Remaining 8% is suspended and dissolved particles like amino acids, enzymes, hormones, ions, and all other organic and inorganic substances. Now, already we have seen that blood corpuscles are of three types. That is RBCs, WBCs, and platelets. Now, RBCs, scientific name of RBCs is erythrocytes. WBCs are known as leukocytes, and platelets are called thrombocytes. Now, RBCs are red blood corpuscles, which are also known as erythrocytes. These are responsible for carrying oxygen to all over the body, right? And it is red in color due to presence of hemoglobin. WBCs are of two types, that are granulocytes and agranulocytes. Now, granulocytes are again divided into three types, that are basophils, eosinophils, and neutrophils. Agranulocytes are of two types, that are lymphocytes and monocytes. एक बार फिर रिव्यू लेते हैं. Blood composition. Blood, the major constituent of blood is plasma, which is 55% of total blood. Blood corpuscles is 45%. Major constituent of plasma is water, which is 92% of total plasma. Remaining 8% is suspended and dissolved particles. Blood corpuscles are of three types, that is RBCs, WBCs and platelets. RBCs are called erythrocytes, WBCs are known as leukocytes, and platelets are called thrombocytes. WBCs further divided into two types, that are granulocytes and agranulocytes. Now, granulocytes are the type of WBCs having granulocytoplasm. Granulocytes are the type of WBCs having granular cytoplasm. That means granulocytes के cytoplasm में granules present रहते हैं, due to which it is known as granulocytes. Granules, cytes means cells. Granulocytes, types of WBCs having granular cytoplasm. Agranulocytes are the type of WBCs having clear cytoplasm. अग्रैन्युलोसाइट WBCs का टाइप है जिसके साइटोप्लाज्म में ग्रैन्यूल्स प्रेजेंट नहीं है. Granulocytes are further divided into three types, that is basophils, eosinophils and neutrophils. Now again we can see basophils are the type of WBCs having granular cytoplasm. Basophils are the type of WBCs having granular cytoplasm. Now the nucleus of basophil is unlobed. बेसोफिल्स का न्यूक्लियस जो रहता है वो अनलोब्ड रहता है और ट्विस्टेड न्यूक्लियस रहता है उसका. राइट डाउन हियर. And it can be stained by any basic stain, due to which it is known as basophil. Basic stain is required to visualize basophils. Basic stain. Eosinophils. Now, eosinophils, again, it is a type of WBCs having granular cytoplasm. Now, name only tells us that eosin. Eosin is an acidic stain and it is stained by, eosinophils are stained by any acidic stain. Nucleus of eosinophil is bilobed. That is, two lobes are present in the nucleus of eosinophils. Again, the same point. Granular cytoplasm in eosinophils, it is a type of WBCs having granular cytoplasm. Nucleus is bilobed and it can be stained by bilobed nucleus and stained by acidic stain. And the last is neutrophils. Neutrophils are the type of WBCs having granular cytoplasm and stained by any neutral stain. Now, the nucleus of neutrophils is multilobed. न्यूट्रोफिल्स के न्यूक्लियस में, न्यूक्लियस जो है मल्टी लोब रहता है, मेनी लोब्स प्रेजेंट रहते हैं न्यूक्लियस में ऑफ न्यूट्रोफिल्स एंड इट इज स्टेन्ड बाय एनी न्यूट्रल स्टेन. Stained by neutral stain. WBCs of two types, that is granulocytes and agranulocytes. Granulocytes we have discussed, that is having granular cytoplasm, जिसके cytoplasm में granules present है and that's why it is known as granulocytes. Granulocytes are further divided into three types, that is basophils, eosinophils and neutrophils. Now, basophils are the type of WBCs. Basophils WBCs के ऐसे टाइप है जिसका साइटोप्लाज्म ग्रैन्युलर है. Basophils are the type of WBCs having granular cytoplasm. Granulocytes are further divided into three types, that is basophils, eosinophils and neutrophils. Basophils WBCs के टाइप है जिसका साइटोप्लाज्म ग्रैन्युलर है, जिसका न्यूक्लियस, बेसोफिल्स का न्यूक्लियस अनलोब्ड है या ट्विस्टेड फॉर्म में भी पाया जाता है. Now, basophils can be stained by any basic stain. It can be stained by any basic stain, and that's why it is called basophils. बेसोफिल्स को माइक्रोस्कोप के नीचे या विजुअलाइज करने के लिए हम बेसिक स्टेन यूज करते हैं. एग्जाम्पल इज मिथिलिन ब्लू. Methylene blue is a type of basic stain. Now, eosinophils again it is a type of WBCs जिसका साइटोप्लाज्म ग्रैन्युलर है. Now the difference is eosinophils को विजुअलाइज करने के लिए हम एसिडिक स्टेन यूज करते हैं. नाम में दिया है that is eosin is a acidic stain. और इसका न्यूक्लियस जो है ये बाइलोब्ड है. That is 2 lobes are present in the nucleus of eosinophils. Neutrophils is a third type of WBCs. Again, इसका जो साइटोप्लाज्म है ये ग्रैन्युलर है and the difference is nucleus is multilobe, many lobes, बहुत सारे lobes उसमें present रहते हैं and that's why it is called and it is stained by neutral stain and that's why it is called neutrophils. Now हमने जो पहले का चार्ट था वो सिर्फ शॉर्ट में किया है, that is WBCs के टाइप्स और उसके फर्दर जो डिविजन होते हैं वो देख रहे हैं हम. WBCs again are of 2 types, that is granulocytes and agranulocytes. Granulocytes we have already studied. Now, agranulocytes are the type of WBCs having clear cytoplasm. Now, the difference between granulocytes and agranulocytes is granulocytes में क्या था? इसके cytoplasm में granules थे. यहाँ पे agranulocytes के cytoplasm में किसी भी टाइप के granules नहीं है and that's why it is called agranulocytes. Agranulocytes are further divided into 2 types, that is lymphocytes and monocytes. Now, same sentence. Lymphocytes are the type of WBCs having clear cytoplasm, right? Now the difference is lymphocyte has large central nucleus. It is round central nucleus. Lymphocyte has large round and centrally placed nucleus. That's why cytoplasm becomes peripheral. Due to which cytoplasm becomes peripheral. Okay. Now, the lymphocyte का जो न्यूक्लियस है that is large, round and centrally placed न्यूक्लियस है, जिसकी वजह से न्यूक्लियस इतना बड़ा है तो साइटोप्लाज्म थीन है, पेरीफेरी पे जा रहा है and that's why we have written that is cytoplasm becomes peripheral. Now, the last type of WBC is monocytes. Monocytes are the type of WBCs having clear cytoplasm and the nucleus is kidney shaped or you can say bean shaped nucleus. सारे WBCs में मोनोसाइट का न्यूक्लियस जो है वो लार्जेस्ट न्यूक्लियस है. ऑलराइट, सो दीज आर द टाइप ऑफ WBCs. एक बार फिर से रिवाइज करते हैं. WBCs are of 2 types, that is granulocytes and agranulocytes. Granulocytes further divided into 3 types, that is basophils, eosinophils and neutrophils. Agranulocytes are of 2 types, that is lymphocytes and monocytes. Lymphocyte का जो न्यूक्लियस है वो लार्ज राउंड एंड सेंट्रली प्लेस्ड न्यूक्लियस है, जिसकी वजह से साइटोप्लाज्म बिकम्स पेरिफेरल, पेरीफेरी पे, ईजिस पे जा रहा है न्यूक्लियस. मोनोसाइट्स आर द टाइप ऑफ अग्रेन्युलोसाइट्स और द टाइप ऑफ WBCs हैविंग क्लियर साइटोप्लाज्म, जिसके साइटोप्लाज्म में कोई टाइप के ग्रैन्यूल्स प्रेजेंट नहीं है. एंड द न्यूक्लियस ऑफ मोनोसाइट इज द लार्जेस्ट न्यूक्लियस अमंग WBCs. WBCs के जो सारे टाइप्स है, जितने सारे हमने देखे, उसमें मोनोसाइट का जो न्यूक्लियस है इट इज लार्जेस्ट न्यूक्लियस एंड किडनी शेप न्यूक्लियस है. दैट्स इट. नाउ द लास्ट पॉइंट or the last type of blood corpuscle is platelets. Stop here. Now, the third type, that is the last type of blood corpuscles, is platelets. Platelets are also known as thrombocytes, and these platelets are formed from megakaryotype cells. Mega means जो largest cells रहते हैं body में, उसके fragmentation से platelets form होते हैं. That is, it is a mega karyotype cell. It undergoes fragmentation process and the platelets are formed. मेगा कैरियोटाइप सेल जो है, जिसका फ्रैगमेंटेशन हो रहा है और जो फ्रैगमेंट्स फॉर्म हो रहे हैं, these are platelets. Now, platelets, importance of platelets is that these platelets are involved in blood coagulation. Blood coagulation means clotting of blood. अगर हमें कोई इंजरी होती है, कट जाता है, तो ब्लड जब क्लॉट होता है, इट इज ड्यू टू प्रेजेंस ऑफ प्लेटलेट्स. सो प्लेटलेट्स प्ले एन इम्पोर्टेंट रोल इन ब्लड कोएगुलेशन. ये हम डिटेल में बाद में पढ़ेंगे.